pretty people I'm not impressed with. You want something in life, then why don't you go and get it? Actions speak louder than words, do is pretty quiet as this. Look at the world we live in, defined by common section. Surround yourself with people that challenge how you think. No people that nod their head and act like they agree. Those people will cut you open just to watch you bleed. Always be yourself, not the person that you pretend to be. No, these people gon' tell you that you will never make it, and when you do, they gon' say they know you were going places. That's just how it works. Next thing you know, you'll be already hearing people say that Mr. Old you is crazy, ain't it? And perfect people don't exist, so don't pretend to be one. I'd only pass on my back from people from my achievement. When I die, when I know that I live for a reason. Anyone can take a life, but not what you believe in. No. Yeah, they say when we grow up, you'll understand when you're older. Guess I'm still a kid, I don't know if I'll ever let go of this. Say goodbye to the old me. We ain't friends anymore, you don't know me. I know I could die any moment. If I do, just remember this. Don't take opinions from people that won't listen to yours. If money where you find happiness, you'll always be poor. You don't like the job you have, then what do you do it for? The cure of pain isn't something you buy on liquor stores. Not a real you is not defined by the size of a office. The real you is who you are when ain't nobody watching. You spend your whole life worried about what's in your wallet. For what? The money won't show up in a coffin, no. Your hand is a lie, you ain't got no respect. I fell in love with my pain and I sleep with my regret. Happiness saw it happen, maybe that's why she up and left. Joy called me a teeter, said she ain't coming back, no. I've always had a problem with relationship, but that's what happened when you see the world through a broken lens. Mistake can make you grow, that doesn't mean you're friends. Who you worry's up to you, don't leave it up to them, no. Yeah, they say when we grow up, you'll understand when you're older. Guess I'm still a kid, I don't know if I'll ever let go of this. Say goodbye to the old me. We ain't friends anymore, you don't know me. I know I could die any moment. If I do, just remember this. They say you got into music, you signed up to be edited. It's kinda weird cause I don't remember signing my name up. Coming from people that give advice but never take none. I like my privacy but lately I feel it's invaded. I heard that life is too short, don't let it pass you by. We waste a lot of time crying over wasted time. It's not about how they think, it's how you feel inside. My biggest failure in life is knowing I've never tried. I look at the world from a different angle. People change, even Satan used to be an angel. Think twice before you biting on a hand that made you. Don't believe what you believe, cause that's just how they raise you. Think your own thoughts, don't let them do it for you. Say you wanna drink, don't wait for people to pour it